All right. See if I can bite off more than I can chew. The idea is to go here, switch back across there, and then back up on top of this. Well, that didn't exactly go to plan, but it was badass anyway. Well, I found my first hill climb. Well, the first one I'm gonna record with the God damn it, what's that? Hero 7. You know, see if I can get up there and come back down. I already rode straight up that mountain right up there, like right up the steepest part of it. And we'll see how this goes. Grip studs make traction not an issue. Alright. There's some photo ops up there too. Bitch close. Start you. I haven't taken more than 3 kicks in a long time. No problem. Okay, well, now I got to go back down and get the camera. Can't even see it down there. Oh, this is fucking steep. Muddy too. Oh, big rocks. Man, I'm glad I didn't have to come up through that. Oh, big rocks. There's the camera. No problem. I think I'll try that one next. All right, let's try that mountain. 1 for 1 so far. Well, 2 for 2, I guess. I already went up that one and the one behind us. Gotta figure out a way to get up there now. Maybe down there or up here. We'll find out. Oh, did I press go on that one? I did. Ugh. Fucking big ass rocks, man.